Okay, now this is the LED screen, and this LED screen, look at it, there is a 40 pin connector and there is no other connector on the board. This is the only connector, and this is how you will fit. This is the right orientation. You put the screen in the flat, and then now this is the cable we are using to convert this LED to CCFL, and this cable has 40 pin connector, and also this is the connector where you hook up the directly to the motherboard, and also this has a 30 pin adapter which you connect to the old adapter. I will show you how to make the connections. First, keep the cable like this and put this cable like this, and you need to take a look at it. This is how you keep this cable. Of course, we fix all this cable prefixed for you, and then when you receive the screen, this cable already we attach it. So, but if not, just see how we do it. This way, actually this way. The orange tape, that's the correct way to fix this. And then press the tabs so that they firmly fixed it. Now remove the tape and then fix it to here. Now since we have direct connection, direct access to here, and remember, now this is very important part. There are two connections we need to make. First, this one directly goes to this screen, and let me show you how do you make this connection and connect it, make proper orientation, and then connect it. This is connected, refix the tape, leave it. Now this one is done. We need to do the second part, and this one, see, there is two connections. One is this connection number 1, this is connection number 2. You need to hook up to this connection. Also notice that you need to connect to the middle pins. There are total, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins. You need to connect middle 4 and make it properly oriented, and then connect it in the middle. The connection, the middle pins. That's all we need to do. Now first test it. We're going to start the computer. Let's see. And that's how the laptop is turned on, and it is ready to go. And also see that it is now LED screen with much brighter resolution, and also it is more power saving, and